Guys, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to crochet a beautiful granny square. So let's go, guys. So guys, here are the equipments that I'll be using: my crochet hook, my needle, my scissors, then my yarn. So I'm going to go straight to the point. So I'm going to take my yarn here. So I'm going to begin like this. I make a hole, then I make a chain. On top of this chain, I'm going to crochet 16 double crochet around. 16 double crochet around. So here I go. I'm having my 16 double crochet now. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make a slim stitch. So what next? On top of this, my second row, I'm going to make a chain. Then I'm going to crochet a three double crochet in each hole 8 times all around. So each hole that I'm going to be working on, I'm going to crochet 3 double crochet in each hole that I'll work, and I'll be skipping just one hole all around. I'll crochet it 8 times. So this is the first hole. I make my 3 double crochet. So I skip this hole, I go to the next. My 3 double crochet, skip, and I go to the next. And this is my number 8 hole of the 3 double crochet. So I'm going to make a slim stitch here. On top of this place, I make a slim stitch. So you can see. So the first row I work on, I crochet 16 double crochet. So the second row I've worked on 3 double crochet in each hole 8 times. So if you count all around, you see that I'm having 8 times. So example 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to change my yarn because I want it to be a little bit colorful. So I use my needle and I'm going to sew the yarn inside like this. So this is the use of your needle when you are working. That's the use of your needle. Then I'm going to cut, and the other yarn I'll leave it. So I'll move next to the next color. The next color that I'll be using is the green. So here is my next color. So I'll begin from here. The next line, the next row, I'm going to work on 3 double crochet in each hole and 6 double crochet on the next hole, 3 double crochet on each hole, 6 the next hole. So here I'm going to put 3 double crochet here, double crochet here. So the next hole here I'm going to put 6 double crochet in the same hole, so I make 2 chain and I come back in the same hole and I put another 3, and that's going to form 6 double crochet. So the next hole I put 3 double crochet, then the next hole I put 6 double crochet, make 2 chain and I come back in the same hole, so the next hole I'm going to make 3 double crochet, the next hole I'm going to make 6 double crochet, the next hole I make 3 double crochet, and the next hole I make 6 double crochet, two chain and 3 back to the same hole for it to complete 6 double crochet in the same hole. So I come here and I make a slim stitch here, a slim stitch, then I'm going to change my yarn and I'll come back to the broken white because I want it to look a little bit beautiful. So here I'm going to put my yarn in the needle and I sew it in, then out. So I use my needle to cut. So I come back with the broken white. The broken white. So I'll begin from here. From here, I'm going to make a chain. This one, I just want to hide it already here. So I'll make 3. That chain will complete me a 1 double crochet. Then this one, I'll just cut it already so that my work is going to be neat like that. So I come to this hole, this corner where I have 6, so I'm still going to put 6 in that very hole because these are the sides of my granny square. So I'm going to put 6 in the same hole. So I move to the next hole. Here I put 3 on this hole, then the next hole 3 on this other hole besides. Then I come on the corner, this corner I put 6. So each time when you arrive this corner, you put 6 in this particular place. Those are the sides of your granny square. So I move to the next row here. I put 3 double crochet. Then to this other hole beside, I also put 3 double crochet. Then I move to the next row. I put 6 double crochet. And I make 2 chain, and I come back to this hole and I complete the 3 double crochet in the same hole. So I move to this other hole. I put 3 double crochets. So I move to this hole on this side. I put 3 double crochet. So on this side where there's 6, I put 6 there in the same hole. So 2 chain and back to the same hole. Then here I put 3 double crochet. Then I come to the final place and I make a slim stitch. So you can see here comes my granny square. Here comes my granny square. So I'm going to cut the yarn. But guys, you can make this as big as you want. It all depends on your size of your granny that you want it to be. So the most important thing is when you already have these 4 sides, this 1, 2, 3, 4, you just continue your work. So when you arrive the corner, you always put the 6 there, but this other side you just put the 3, 3. So you can make it as large as you want your granny square. So guys, if you have watched up to this stage, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. As you can see, so here is my granny square, guys. Thanks for watching. Thank you all for watching.